Hey guys, welcome back to CheezzMakeup channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. So this is Jaya and today I'm going to review the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour foundation and my shade is 320, which is caramel toffee. This foundation retails about 1,400 rupees. This is the packaging of the product and it comes with a pump, and the texture of this product is liquidy. So in the bottle itself there are a few texts which L'Oreal promises with this foundation, which is no transfer, no visible imperfections, no visible shine, no dry out, no mask effect. Let's see if L'Oreal lives up to this claim. Before that, you guys are going to see application of this foundation, so see that and come back. So I usually apply 2 layers of this foundation to achieve medium coverage. So I'm gonna go for 1 pump. As usual, I'm using my Real Techniques. And just dabbing it. So this is 1 layer of the foundation. I'm going to apply a second one so I can get medium coverage. This coverage is actually perfect if you're going for office or you know, school or somewhere, so a light coverage would be fine. This itself covers most of the stuff, but you know me, I always like to add second layer, so yeah, that's me. So you can even stop it with this. So yes guys, I've applied 2 layers of the foundation and this pretty much covers everything. I seriously don't need a concealer, but I'm just gonna, you know, do it here where I used to use my glasses and the inner corners, obviously under eye, you know, those areas, but basically I really don't need any concealer. I feel it's a very good medium to high coverage or medium coverage foundation. So now I'm going to actually let this sit on my face for about 10 minutes and then I'll be back so you guys can see the finish that gives on my skin. It looks like it's giving me a very satiny kind of a finish, but that's not the truth. So I'm going to let this sit for about 10-15 minutes and then I'll show you guys what kind of finish it gives. So this is how my face looks after 15 minutes. It becomes even more matte and dry. So I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and I shall continue the review. Okay, let's start with the review. My skin type is normal to dry skin. It's dry in the winter, normal in the summer. So now it's kind of still chill, so it's winter here. So this foundation is definitely horrible for my skin. So because I have dry skin now, this foundation makes my skin even more dry. No shine, so it's matte. They tell it's no drying out. No, it dries the skin out. It just brings out all the imperfections in my skin. Like, it makes my lines even more visible. It really brings out the pores. The skin looks like patches. It does not look good. As they tell, you know, no visible imperfections? No. No visible shine? Yes. No visible shine. It's a matte. And no dry out? It dries out like crazy. No mask effect? Yes. Even though I applied 2 layers, there's no mask effect. It feels very light. That's a good thing. But it dries out my face. I want to like rip it off. I want to take it off. That's how it is. So I don't like the finish. I don't like how my skin looks with this foundation. The next thing is the coverage that it gives is really good. It is a medium to full coverage foundation and it covers most of the stuff, so it's really good. Maybe I can work this out with some moisturizer or skin oil in the summer, even though I'm wearing a moisturizer before I applied the foundation. It didn't work. So maybe in the summer with skin oil or foundation, I mean moisturizer, I can make this work. Next horrible thing is this shade is so bad. This shade is so bad because it has pink undertone to it. I'm a yellow undertone girl. I like foundations that give a yellowish finish on my skin because that's my skin. This makes my face look really yuck because of the pinkish thing on my skin. It looks so artificial. It doesn't look like a natural, doesn't look like a natural foundation. It looks so artificial and I don't like the color at all. The color matches, but because of the undertone, it doesn't look good. Another thing is the 24-hour. Yes, I had to try this foundation on my skin for really long and it was so difficult because of that drying out, and it was so difficult. So I tried to manage this for about 9 hours. That's all. I cannot. I wanted to take it off because it was so drying on my face. So 9 hours, yes, it was good. It was really good. Not like the same way that I'm wearing it now, but for 9 hours it did stay. Most of it did stay. So a long wear, good. Maybe good for oily skin. A good long wearing, a good coverage foundation, maybe good for oily skin, not for dry skin, not even for normal skin. So and also it started to, you know, accentuate the minuses in your skin. I don't know if it'd be good for oily skin. I don't know. So I cannot, you know, give that assurance that, you know, it'll be good for oily skin. Packaging is really good. A good glass bottle with a pump, good. So yeah guys, that's my review of the Loreal Infallible. It's 1,400 rupees and I don't know, I think I should add some yellow tone. Like in Krylon they have a yellow tone. I have to add to this to make it work, and then I have to add some skin oil to it to make it work. There are so many things that I have to even add more to make this work. So maybe I'll just use it for YouTube. I won't use it outside because it's gonna make my skin look ridiculous. Maybe just for YouTube purpose, or you know, that's it. Nothing else. So yeah guys, that's my review of the Loreal Infallible foundation. Hope it was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.